Hello, should I use stop loss for swing trading? Well, if you know how to use it, you use it and you are comfortable with it, you can continue using it. Personally, I don't like to sell a stock at a loss. And because I'm swing trading growth stocks, they go up, they goes down. They go up, they go down. So therefore, if I purchase a stock and it's going down, I just let it be in my account as a negative as a loss until it becomes positive for me to sell it. So because I'm swing trading growth stocks, I know that at some point they will go up. So I don't worry about it and sell it at a loss. We are going to analyze APD as of July 6, 2026. When we are looking at APD, I purchased it in January. We have the date on the x-axis from $0 from the past to the present, and the price on the y-axis from $0 up. So I purchased it in January. It went up. I think I didn't purchase enough, and I purchased it again, and it pulled back down. I was negative in this one at some point, and now it's on its way up. So I like to purchase it around the support line, but sometimes I might purchase it a little bit higher up. If you pull back down low, I just wait until it becomes positive for me to sell it. So because I don't want to use a stop loss, I like to trade growth stocks. So the stocks that have higher lows around the bottom of their chart, so that I know that when they are going down, they are not going to go down too low. They will still be on that growth trajectory. So therefore, I don't worry setting a stop loss to set it at a loss or not. And I do have a lot of stocks negative in my portfolio, and I'm okay with it. I just learn from that and do better picking stocks that I will swing trade to create my watch list with. And as I keep swing trading the same stocks, I find the one that are not working well with the strategy that I'm using, and then I can just take them out of my list to keep curating that list to, over time, consist of stocks that works well with the strategy that I'm using, and just keep swing trading them. Do you use stop loss? Do you like using them? Thank you so much for your time. We thank you very much for watching our videos. Thank you for all your comments, and we thank you very much for subscribing to our channel. I'm Afiavi, and on our channel we share different ways to save money and different ways to make money to reach your financial independence. And swing trading could allow you to create another stream of income. Just work on it slowly, and over time you will get there. And as a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a professional trader. I just swing trading. My husband and I joint account pursuing our goal of financial independence, and I like to share with you what is working for us, what is not working, so that if you find some tips useful, you can customize them to your liking and use them in your own financial success journey. You will please proceed with caution. For more information or for more videos in this series, please check the playlist How to Start Swing Trading Step by Step Using Long Option Lines in the description of this video. And this video is brought to you by our online store, Liberman.com. Thank you so much for your time. Happy swing trading.